Ever wondered what happens when your bread savings CD reaches maturity? Are you ready to cash in, or are you looking to keep those savings growing? It's an exciting time when your certificate of deposit comes to the end of its term. Maybe you've been counting down the days, or perhaps you've been so busy you didn't even realize the date was approaching. Either way, you've got a decision to make, and understanding your options with bread savings is key to maximizing your financial moves. A bread savings CD, like many others, will have a maturity date. Before that date, bread savings will send you a maturity notice detailing your CD's term, the maturity date itself, and the options available to you. It's crucial to pay attention to this notice because it kicks off a specific period known as the grace period, and your action, or inaction, during this time determines the fate of your savings. So, let's break down the two main paths you can take, renewing your CD or withdrawing your funds. First up, renewing your CD. If you're happy with the rate and terms, and you want to continue earning interest, bread savings makes renewing straightforward. Your CD will automatically renew for the same term length at the current interest rate being offered for that term, unless you tell them otherwise. This usually happens on the first day after the maturity date. If you want to change the term length, say, move from a 12-month to a 24-month CD, you need to inform bread savings during the grace period. This is typically a 10-day window following the maturity date, but always check your specific maturity notice for the exact time frame. To make a change, you can usually contact bread savings via their customer service phone number or by sending a secure message through your online account portal. Now, let's talk about withdrawing your funds. If you need the money, or you found a better investment elsewhere, you need to withdraw the funds during that same grace period, that crucial 10-day window after maturity. If you don't act before the end of the grace period, your CD will automatically roll over, and then you'd be subject to early withdrawal penalties if you needed the money soon after. To withdraw, you'll generally need to contact bread savings customer service. They will guide you through the process of transferring the principal and earned interest out of the CD. You'll typically have the option to transfer the funds to an external linked bank account, or perhaps to another bread savings account you hold, like a high-yield savings account. Ensure any external accounts are linked and verified before the maturity date to make the transfer as smooth as possible. The most important takeaway? Don't ignore the maturity notice. Know your grace period and decide what you want to do before it closes. Whether it's automatically renewing, changing the term, or cashing out, a little planning goes a long way to keeping your savings working exactly how you want them to. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.